Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and turning on your notification bells so that whenever I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my tasty beef wet fry. And here, sit back, relax as always, and take some tips from this amazing video. The first thing you have to do is wash your meat so well, and as you can see, my meat is in the sufuria. Added some water that will help me in boiling. Added 1 clove of garlic that will help soften my meat. Added 1 bay leaf that will add some flavor in my meat. And for the salt, I'll just let my meat to boil a little bit before I go ahead and add my salt. So cover that for some minutes to boil. Okay, the good thing as well about adding salt in the beginning of your cooking process is that the meat will be really flavored, yeah? Thus giving it a good taste, and like boiling your meat without salt in it at the beginning, you know? The flavor will only be in the stew and not in the meat. That's the good thing about building your flavors in the beginning. For my ingredients today, I have the red onions, the garlic, the cooking oil, the coriander, the capsicums, the tomato puree, the tomato paste, and for the spices, I have the beef masala, cumin powder, curry powder, paprika, and I measured 1 tablespoon each. I sprinkled some cooking oil on my pot, added some red onions. I used 3 big onions and added my meat so that I let the meat and the onions brown together. Combine everything together so that they can brown together. So after everything has started changing its color, it's time for me to add my garlic and stir everything together. And also at this stage is when I go and add my spices so that they can cook so well. Add the spices and the tomato paste, mix everything together. Give it time to cook. Cover it for like 2 to 3 minutes and give it time to cook. Afterwards, I went ahead and added my capsicums, my tomato puree, and make sure you mix everything together. Let everything be combined together so that our meat can absorb each and every flavor. So add the tomato puree, cook it down until it starts to thicken and loses the raw tomato taste. Cover it to cook. Let's check on our meat, our wet fry. Oh, you can see the consistency. It's very thick, and that's the results we are looking for, or rather that's what we want to achieve afterwards. So went ahead and garnished my wet fry with my coriander, or we can call it dhania. You can also garnish it with parsley if you have, and mix everything together as always. I loved the aroma. It smelled so good. So let me come back with the results. I'm so happy. You can see the final results, and the good thing about the beef wet fry, you can serve it with chapati, you can serve it with rice, but I chose to go with ugali today, and my family and I really enjoyed this recipe. As you can see, it's looking delicious, it's looking yummy. So I will highly recommend for you to try this recipe. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share my videos, subscribe as always, comment on the comment section down below so that I hear your views. Okay, I hear your thoughts. So until on my next video, I'll see you all very soon. Bye and enjoy.